Assalamu alaikum dear students, it's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn about the practical using Microsoft Word, and today's our practical is based on inserting a clip art on our document. So dear students, to insert clip art on our document, we should click on the insert tab, and later on we will have to click on clip art. So dear students, clip art is defined as insert clip art into document including drawings, movies, sounds or stock photography to illustrate a specific concept. So dear students, to use clip art we should click on the clip art. For suppose we want to insert a computer on our document. So dear students, to insert the picture of computer on our document, we should click on the selected options of the clip art. Later on we should go to the menu of clip art. So dear students, we will have to find the picture of computer in this list. Later on we should click on computer, then we will be able to illustrate the picture of computer on a document. For suppose we click here on the computer. So dear students, you see date here the picture of computer is inserted on our document. So dear students, this is about the clip art, and we will have to practice on this practical. So dear students, based on the today's practical, your homework is to insert the different pictures on your document by using the Microsoft Word. So dear students, your lecture is winded up here. Allah Hafiz till the coming of lecture.